How to verify your phone number on Skrill. Use a web browser for this process because Skrill does not currently allow phone number changes or verification inside the mobile app. Sign into your wallet and go to Settings, Personal Details, and then Phone Number. If your existing number has not been confirmed, click Verify beside it. Skrill will send a 6-digit code to that phone. Enter the code before it expires. Skrill's verification codes are normally valid for 15 minutes. If you're entering a different number, click Edit, choose the country code, type the number, and complete both security checks. First, confirm the change through your old phone or primary email, and then enter the second code sent to the new phone. If the SMS never arrives, confirm that the number and country code are correct. Make sure your phone can receive text messages, wait briefly, and request a new code. Use support if neither SMS or email is available. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.